Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Here I'm presenting one of the new product. It's a Wi-Fi plug, which is very useful for nowadays. And you can see like it's a app remote control. You can make the everything from your smartphone. Like another one is time switching. You can make a schedule for this smart plug. And another one is voice control, like hands-free compatible with the Amazon Alexa and Google Home. It is suitable for the 2.4 gigahertz. So I'm just going to show you. First of all, let's see what we are getting the inside. So I'm just opening this box. First of all, I'm just getting the UK smart Wi-Fi plug. You can see one more thing is inside. It's a very useful. It's a user manual. There's everything inside the user manual, so you can easily access the Wi-Fi plug. How we can set up this device, I will show you. Let's see. Here you can see it's on off switch, so you can make the device on and off. Over here it's a UK plug. You can plug this plug the device which are the UK plug, so make sure it will suitable for the only UK plug. And what is the use of whatever you are using through this device, it will make you the Wi-Fi, so you can easily control the device, whichever device is connected with through this device. So you can control the device through your mobile. Okay, now I'll show you how to set up this with your Wi-Fi. Let's see. First of all, I'm just going to connect this device to my power socket. Okay, you can see I'm just going to connect this from my power socket. Now you can see LED is turning on. Now first of all, what you need to do, you have to just go to the Google Play Store. Now type Smart Life. You can see. Now just click on it. You have to install this application first of all in your mobile. You can also download from the iTunes as well. So it is using in both device, iPhone as well as Android device. Now I'm just going to open the application. This is the home page of the application. But please make sure if you are using this application first time, then first time you have to register with your email address, and the OTP will be sent on your email address. So you can directly first time when you register it, then it will the process will be completed. Then after you can access this application. So I'm just going to, I already opened this application. So first of all, what you need to do, you can see this blue light is stable. So what you need to do, first time you have to just press this light switch for the 5 seconds, and it will blink 3 times fast. Now I'm just going to press this on off button for 5 seconds. Now you can see it is blinking. Just jump on the application, press the plus button. Okay, there are many options are available for the lighting and electric socket as well. So what I will do, I'm just going to choose the socket. Now you can see it is asking power on the device and confirm that indicator light rapidly blinks. Yeah, it is blinking. That means I'm just going to confirm it. Now it will ask you the nearest Wi-Fi password. So it will show you the all available Wi-Fi list which is nearest to your Wi-Fi plug and phone. This is my Wi-Fi. So I already typed my password, so I'm just going to confirm it. So it will take some time to set up it. Device added successfully, and you can see completed. Directly it's showing me smart plug. Now completed. Okay guys, I will show you. It's a LED light strip. I'm just going to make this LED strip Wi-Fi, so I can access from anywhere. I can control it from anywhere. So if I want to make on, else I want to off the LED strip, I can do it from anywhere. So what I'll do, I'm just going to plug in this LED strip power adapter. Okay, now you can see I'm just turn it on. Okay, off, on, off. So basically you can control the any device from anywhere by plugging this through plugging this device. So what you need to do, you have to just set up this device with your Wi-Fi, and then you have to just use the directly like so. This is a breeze for your device. Now you in the application we have seen like timer setup. It's a time schedule, like you can just add the time schedule over here. Here is the countdown is also given, so you can just set the time by yourself. And you can add the multiple device, like if you have purchased in bulk like 5 to 10 species, then you can also add the device in application. You can add the more than one device, so you can easily easily control every device whichever you want. So it is very useful. Thank you for watching the video.